Hello cuties, today we're going to learn how to make the best perfect coffee. So what you're going to need is an electric kettle, a French press, and a front pitcher, I believe it's pronounced. So 1 cup of water. So I put 3 cups of water, but I felt like 3 cups was too much, so I would say 2.5 is perfectly fine. Now that I put my 3 cups of water and I took out a little bit out, so I said 2.5 cups, I would turn that on and wait until it boils. So I'm going to take my electric kettle away and take my French press to start our coffee. So we would use 1/3 of a cup to add some coffee. I felt that was a little bit of coffee, so I just used 1/4 of a cup to add some more coffee. P.S. I am using Café El Águila. It's one of the best coffee. Y'all need to try it. Now I'm going to go ahead with my kettle and pour that water. Something I do want to advise is to leave your coffee there for 3 to 4 minutes before pushing it down. That's a very important step. So now that my coffee was sitting there for 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and grab my mason jar and add some beautiful sugar. Add as much as you please, honestly. Up to your preference how much sugar you want.